chat. And we've got a new bronze member as well, Jonathan. Congratulations, thank you for joining. Before we go,
At Chip Gaming 9292 tipped $9.99 through Super Chat. Leave it of us to bring us all the great information.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a night we've got! What a night we've got for you tonight, today, whichever time zone, was my second biggest swing of all time. Bought $80,000, $100,000, in fact, in total of Nvidia overnight, and we swung from down here to up here. $13,000 in a day. It's our second biggest swing ever. Tonight, there's a lot going on, and we are making some serious amounts of money. We got another all-time high. Look at our position now, 316,700, 315,000. That is all primarily from what we made today with Nvidia. We bought a ton. We went in, we refinanced. We got extra money at 4%, way below Robinhood's limit of margin. We went outside sources to put extra money in, and we are up today. It is fantastic, absolutely great. $47,000 in the last 12 months, and this has been a terrible few weeks. We are down some 30-40 grand because of everything we've been buying. Imagine when it turns up, we're going to be up 100 grand in a 12-month stretch. That is unprecedented for just 260 grand in my main account. But anyway, tonight it's about Archer Aviation. We think this is going to be another one that can pop. And let me give you the numbers. Let me break it all down to you. If you tap the like button and have you considered subscribing, okie dokie, let's rock and roll. Vaz will be live in a minute for the earnings in just about half an hour, actually. Let's go straight into this. So intrinsic value, if you look at the intrinsic value of Archer Aviation, it doesn't look too exciting, right? You go, what the hell? Well, hang on, let me explain it. Archer Aviation is up 5% today. Why? As Vaz explained on his previous stream, there's good news for Archer Aviation today, and it's just going to be down the road from me. I'm going to go down there and check it out at the DFW airport. We're going to more than likely have, we're about to find out, we're going to have a heliport, a vertical port, whatever you want to call it, built down the road, Sensei. Vaz knows best. Anyway, you ask him what it's called. Vertical port, vertical takeoff and landing airport. There you go. Heliport, something like that. Anyway, it's probably not that important. Vaz is going, what? Of course it's important. Anyway, so we're seeing a bit of a pop today. But the reason why the intrinsic value is so low, and you have to understand this, is because it's pre-revenue. It's building out its network. It's investing. So the valuation doesn't look too great, does it? Everyone's buying the future price. Well, the best case scenario, if things go well, is 76%. Now, I've always said I'm happy to pay a 25% for a growth stock. I can't pay any more than that, but you've got to remember this is pre-revenue, so things are slightly different. It hasn't yet made money, but is it about to? Well, we think it is. And if we're right, this is going to pop enormously. So let me just show you the business, because you've got to focus on the business, right? The numbers. This is what I focus on. 23 is the profitability. That's because it's investing. It's red. It's not great. You wouldn't want to buy a business that's a 23% profitability score, would you? You would not. ROIC, though, is increasing. That is the key metric here. Declining ROE, low gross margin, and low net margin. That's obvious because they're not selling anything. But ROIC is improving. Returned on invested capital. This is a very important number, significantly increased in the last 3 years. This is important. Why? Because this shows how well a company is managed, how it can effectively return on its invested capital, how it can manage its funds and make money from its cash. This is a very, very good number. So even though it's 23%, it's going to go up dramatically. But look at this. This is why you can buy this business. 75% solvency. Doesn't get much higher. 87, I think, was the highest I've ever seen. High Altman Z score, short-term solvency and long-term solvency and negative net debt. You can buy it. It's not going to go bust anytime soon or anytime in the short to the medium term, long term. You can buy it with confidence, knowing we're likely to go up. Now, revenue is 0. But look what we're projecting. Look how it's projected to go up. This is what's expected. Only expected, but nevertheless, it's what's expected. Operating income. Now, that's expected to fall a little bit a little bit and then go sideways along here, but then start to rise. Okay, so this is what people are buying. They're buying the future income and revenue of this business. But this is why I like it. The balance sheet is lovely. We got 1.899 billion. And if we look at the cash position, 1.64. Now, this particular business is cash rich. Now, cash rich for a profitable business is not what I want. But a business that's building out and investing, you need lots of money. You can't have enough money, to be honest with you. So it's early doors for this company, but this is a good number, 1.6 billion. It's very well funded. If we look at liabilities, the actual liabilities, long-term debt, is 64 million. So we've got no issue here with the balance sheet. And to me, it's all about the balance sheet. Long-term debt, 26%. That's the right amount for me. I like it. Now, what about the margins? Of course, it's pre-revenue. It's making no money. Do you like this software? Would you like to be able to talk to the CEO of the company who owns it? Well, you can't, but I can. He's a friend of mine, and I've got you the best deal anywhere. Bloomberg want it. They can't get it. Seeking Alpha want it, they can't get it. CNBC want it, they can't get it. The owner of the company has given me the best value deal ever. If you click on this link here, you can get a discount so good as a member. My what do you call it? The discount is so good. It basically is it's like you get the membership for free if you're a bronze member. It's that good. All right. It's called Alpha Spread. I've just given you the Seeking Alpha one as well, should you want that. Okay. So what about Wall Street's targets? Well, if you look at Wall Street's targets, worst case scenario, and we're not in a worst case scenario at all. Things are ploughing on lovely now. We've got tomorrow to find out about Dallas. I'll go there if Vaz wants me to, and I'll go and fly on one. But yeah, that's just down the road from me. 39% down, so we're not in that scenario at all. We're here. We're in this scenario. We're in an average, and that's a 58% upside from where we are today. So now you can understand it's okay to be overvalued. It's called a vertiport. It's called a vertiport. All right. Okay, I've got it, Mr. Clever Clogs. I know all about. That's why you're the eVTOL man. All right, I'm just doing the fill-in. You know, I'm just doing the numbers, just doing the balance sheet, mate. I don't know what it's called. Vertipad. I don't care. Vertiport. There, I got it wrong again. On a best case scenario, we're looking at $18.09. That would be a very nice return, 153% upside. So we're looking very nice here with the upsides, looking nice indeed. All right. It's worth noting what other companies perform in the sector. We've got Archer, Raytheon, RTX, Boeing, Airbus, Safran, Lockheed, Rolls-Royce, Northrop, and Howmet. Always worth looking what others are doing in a similar industry. All right. So we're going to go over in a few minutes' time to Vaz. He's presenting an earnings for us tonight. We're expecting it to be the biggest earnings on planet Earth for this sector. We do rank number one in this sector, so I'm very, very, very excited about it. Looking forward to it. So that's coming up in just a few minutes from now. This is the event. You don't want to miss this one, because if you get the news that Vaz thinks he's going to get, this could double again from where we are tonight. You never know. But it's worth being there for it, okay? Or we got a star guest. Star guest on the show. This is Chip Gaming. How are you, Chip Gaming? What would you like to say to me this afternoon?
At Chip Gaming 9292 tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. If you go down there, can you go live for it?
Can I go live for it? Absolutely right. Absolutely right. I'll obviously really upset Vaz, who'll go, "Are you having a laugh, mate? You don't even know it's a vertiport, and you're down there flying around like you know what you're talking about." Well, yeah, I just happen to live in the right place, right? And yeah, I've got and in my house in Cornwall, I'm right next to the spaceport as well. I mean, you know, that's what happens when you have a house on two continents. You can position them next to all the helipads and the vertiports. Just lucking it, really. Anyway, so there you go. This is what's coming up in a minute. This is our Archer Aviation Q4 earnings. We're expecting maybe 4,000 or 5,000 people to join live. It's a new sector. Not many people are interested in it, but when you are the number one space for it and you're the number one broadcaster and the number one authority, which is Vaz, he talks directly with these people, then you know that it's bound to be a successful evening. So tune in, watch it. I'll be watching it. Sensei will be watching it. Casey will be watching it. All of the team of Discordians will all be watching it with you. And we wish you all the very best of luck tonight, mate. I hope to see it do very, very well. Now, it comes on a backdrop of the markets today all popping. My biggest ever swing, my second biggest swing of all time. Because of the war, we had everything sell off. And then throughout the night, live on Discord, I got up and told you what I was going to do. I told you I was going to buy heavy, and I did. I refinanced, and that's what swung my portfolio 14% in a day. Not too shabby, I think you'll agree. Let's go through all the positions and let's see what we got today, and let's see how the markets are shaping up. So we've got my overall portfolio from being down is up 0.53. Wonderful. Everything is down, but I'm up. We're beating the market again. All right. And we literally are beating the market again. The S&P 500 is actually down. We are up today 0.61. And when you consider we were down here, look at that swing. Look at that swing. 246, 260. Second biggest swing of all time. I'm the king of the swingers, the jungle VIP. There you go. I'm the king of the swingers. Yeah, the jungle VIP. And to reach the top, that's what's bothering me. Ooh, ooh, be do. I want to be like you. Ooh, ooh. I want to walk like you, talk like you. Ooh, be do, diddly boop, diddly boop, boop, boop. I want to walk like you. Yep, second biggest swing of all time. Palantir is up today. That's ridiculous. Gold went down and up, and be careful until it doesn't. Amazon is down today. We've beaten them. Apple, there's flat today. Enphase Energy, one of my top picks of the year, going to $100, and I'll be right on that. Amazon, how many times have I told you Coca-Cola burned out at $80? Over and over again, it cannot save you even in a downturn, all right? We've told you, we made money from it, we've moved on. We will wait for the next opportunity. J&J is down today. Defense was flat, down a little bit. Chevron Oil was pulled back again. Tesla is down. McDonald's is down. Google is making its way up. Very nice indeed. We got the bottom. Microsoft, too expensive. And NVIDIA, the big story. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. That's Meta, the big story of the day. NVIDIA, our second biggest position. We've got 360 grand over there in Google, and we've got over 100 grand now in NVIDIA. Not bad when you think we only bought it a couple of days ago. Tilray Brands, it's a joke. Robinhood, we are now in the money. We're in the money. Rocket Labs, too expensive. Plug Power, total nonsense. Bitcoin up 3.3. I sold it at the top again. XRP, we're building a position. And Ethereum, we've got about 100 grand of Ethereum and XRP. So that's all looking rather tasty as well. What a day to be in the market. But now it's time for our big event, our earnings with Vaz, and it's the Archer earnings. I know you might be thinking, I'm not interested in this space. Talk about crypto. You're missing out on something potentially explosive tonight. So tune in. You know it's going to be an electric night. And if we get a beat and if we get good guidance, we could be up big time on our Archer tonight. And you know Vaz will be making a lot of money. So don't miss out. Has everyone tapped the like button? Have you all done that? You're rubbish today. You're all asleep. And consider subscribing. Now, something very, very important as well. If you are a member of mine on Discord, you will know that a couple of days ago, I gave you in advance 2 hours before it was publicly known from my White House press room contact that the Ayatollah of Iran was dead. I've got direct links with the White House. I've got friends at the Bank of America, Robin Hood, Coca-Cola, and many more. Lots of CEOs, hedge fund managers. And I told you 2 hours before it happened. If you remember me saying that, it's always good to fact check me, folks, live, so everyone who can see the channel can see what we're telling you is the truth. If you saw me announce live on the show that the Ayatollah had died 2 hours before it was publicly available, say yes in the chat, please. Fantastic. What I'm going to do now is give everybody a 90% discount to my Discord server. Our Discord server is now growing up very, very quick indeed. There is the Discord server in the chat. It's just $2.99 $4.99 for the basic plan. You should be on the pro plan because I could charge $50 to $100 for this service. Ask every single person who joins me. I choose not to because I want to help people, but I certainly could, and people would pay it. Direct links, 24-hour trades, all of my trades, live link ups, support after the events. I do on-stage events with you. Obviously tonight we've got an earning, so we can't do an on-stage event tonight, but I'm always there in Discord providing one-on-one support, sharing all my trades. We have a gaming channel where you can win the Luca coin. Yeah, the Luca coin is out. We're having some fun with it. You can win coins. It's really fun, and everyone's really loving it. So go and check that out. That's free to everyone, even on the basic plan. We've added more services to the basic plan than you originally paid for. It never goes up in price, no inflation, but those that have the premium plan, and over 700 of you now do, 700 of you are on the Discord premium plan. Sorry, Discord premium. I'm just talking rubbish there. Everyone on Discord is... Start again, Martin. There's over 700 people on Discord. Bloody hell. Shall I show you? Why don't I just stop saying it and show you? It would be easier. Right, there we go. These are the premium members. How many have we got? 703. There is the people pay to be on our server. 703. Fantastic. Wasn't that hard, was it? Anyway, 703. And if you'd like all of our trades, one-on-one support, we got a gaming channel, fun casino. We've also got the chart show with Rob, special guests, all the events, all my trades. If $4.99 is too much for you, I don't know how it can be, because it could be worth $100 a month and more. Honestly, everyone's told me that. If you can't afford $4.99, you can go $2.99. You get access to all the server, all the channels, apart from the stage events that happen every day, and you get my trades throughout the day. You don't get the trades throughout the night. I'm not waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning and answering one-on-one question from someone who joined for $2. It just isn't going to happen. I do it for $4. I mean, what difference does it make? But we've got to limit it somehow, and that's what we do. We just try to give some people the chance to get in for the minimum cost. So there you go. If you want that, or you can choose YouTube Electrum, and that's 90% discount, by the way. 90% discount, you can get that. If you want YouTube Electrum, you get all my trades there as well, and then obviously you get all the videos and the live streams. YouTube and Discord are different. The majority have both, but you can choose what is right for you. If you just want to get my trade, which I don't recommend you do because you don't know why or what, you want to watch the show. Even if you're not a member, you want to watch the show, because this is why we explain the business. And over on Discord, we give you the trades. And that's if you'd been following my trades this morning, you too could have been up insane on NVIDIA. Anyway, there you go. That's it from me. Vaz is about to go live any moment now. We're very, very excited about it. Here is his event. Here he is. In just a few seconds, Vaz is going to go live. I'm going to send you all there now. So it's got it pinned at the top, but I'll also drop it in the chat. Go and join Vaz. He's live in just 12 minutes from now. But I'm going to get off. There we go. There it is. Click on the link. It'll take you automatically there. And join Vaz for a big evening. We are excited for him. We're excited for all of you. Let me go back to comments and questions. I answer everyone in the chat. That's members. We got a new member. Jonathan V just became a member. Thank you so much indeed for becoming a new member. Let's go, says Chip Gaming. Let's go, love the rain. Let's go, says Dan S. LFC. Is that Liverpool Football Club by any chance? Liz is here. Smash the like button, says Chip Gaming. Time for Archer to fly. We think it very well could be. It's rising. It's still rising. Good evening, all. Swinged. Yeah. We're all confused. David Hensley, thank you for all the links. Tidy Big Dog. Oh, nice. Vertiport in your area. Absolutely. Vertiport. Bloody hell. Yes. Veliport. No, it's Vertiport, isn't it? Midnightyport. I prefer that. Honestly, I prefer that. Never mind a walkabout, live stream, a flyabout. Good idea. We'll walk about, fly about, mess about, bugger around. Got my cup of tea ready to go. Got my cup and hat today. Got my cup and hat today. There it is, the faff around hat. I can't reach it. It's over there. I rotated out of Amazon, bought Enphase. I think that's a very good idea. Yeah. That's a very good idea. Wish you'd bought it when it was $25. That would have been even better. Enphase and PayPal have not so nice news. I was a bit afraid and didn't buy, Liz. What was you afraid of? Yes, you sure did. Yeah, I shared it all live for everybody. Is that nerd Josh in here? Well, that's not very nice indeed. I don't want you talking about my members like that. So if you say one more rude comment, I'll ban you. I don't care whether you're a member or not. You do not talk about our viewers and our members like that. We'll just ban you. We do not care. If you're rude, we don't want anyone's rude, even if they're a platinum member. I just don't care. Yes, what I missed the question, just jumping in. Brand, repeat your question. I'll answer it for you, but don't faff around. Yeah, faff around and you find out. A bit like this guy here saying rude stuff. Evan Lemire or whatever his name is. Yeah, if anyone comes in as rude, we just ban you. Whether you're a member or not, we couldn't care less. Okie dokie. Well, I think Senza Vaz is ready to go. I've shown you the numbers. I've shown you the balance sheet. You've got an idea. Now we learn from Mr. Goldsmith himself, the CEO, and all about the business. What's your move on Archer call options? You've not been watching the show at all, have you? I don't do options. I don't believe in options. They're a waste of time. It's all manipulated and you're paying for services you just don't need. I just own the businesses. I never do options. Never have, never will. I don't do options. I don't short stocks. I just buy businesses with conviction. That is it. All right, says Valentine Hoddle. He always says one word. No one knows why. The word margin. No one understands why he does it. It's a big mystery to us all. Okay, that's it from me. Another great day today. Second biggest swing of all time. Another all-time high. Pretty good considering the markets are down. So when the markets go up, my God, I'm going to be at 400 grand like that. And we're on the way to the $1 million, which we'll get there way ahead of schedule. All right, that's it from me. It's time to send you over now to Vaz. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy Vaz's presentation. It will be fantastic. It will be top-notch. And I'll be there watching and listening in. So have a great day. Have a great evening. I will see you back in the morning for the opening bell right after Sensei's breakfast show. But that's it from me. Stay right where you are. Or we got a new Electra member.
I can't believe this.
Let me explain to you.
Adreemke Vandermeer 1655 has become a member.
Right, you've just become an Electra member. Let me tell you what you get. You join now 2,000 members. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on earth. Go and look on all the Social Blade analytics and you will see. We are by far the highest member to live viewer ratio. No one even comes close. There's not a channel in the world who are close to us. As an Electra member, here is my promise to you. I will always increase your perks and benefits. I will never increase the price of your membership, including inflation. That means the membership gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper every single year. You now can access all the members-only videos, the members-only live streams. Look on the homepage of the channel. You'll see all the members-only videos and the members' live streams. Videos people never see when they're not members. Live streams you never see when you're not members. My CEO interviews are all members-only. We hope to have some new CEOs in Season 5 shortly, and you'll see those. If you comment to the video because you'd like to engage with our community, all comments get posted by the members. Only members' comments get posted. Non-members cannot have their comments posted. We only take care of our members. I will then engage with you on your comment. Sometimes I reply to you, but I always tap the like button and show love and show love to your comment. So you know I've seen it. It'll tell you Martyn has seen it, okay? I always read it and engage with you through the like and the love, okay? You also get, as an Electra member, you get discounts on the shops when they're available. You'll also get 2 special Electrum events a week. 2. When we'll go live just for you, when you can request your favourite earnings, when you can request stock analysis. You can say to me, can you do analysis on Tesla? We do 2 or 3 in an event. If you're first, you will get an analysis completely for free. You don't have to pay for it. It's a gift as an Electrum member. Also, as an Electrum member, if you look on the homepage of the channel, on the community post and community, you will see my posts in green. That's because you are a member, and you will see all my trades. You will know 24 hours a day as I trade. The same service I provide on Discord, but of course Discord also provides you with the one-on-one support, the community, and everything that Discord can provide, including the gaming channel and the special guests, the stage events, and all the rest of it. But you will get all my trades on Electrum. So that's what you get as a new member, and it will never go up in price, and you will always get more over time, and your badge will grow, and you'll eventually get a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year badge, and things will improve for you, and it'll never go up in price, including inflation. All right, so there we go. Thank you for joining us. And we don't just want you to be a silent member, though. We do want you to talk to us, get to know you. Also, I forgot to mention, as a member, you can call in live to the show. I do live video link-ups. You can call in on the show, ask me a question live on the show. And also, as a member, we post your comments here in the chat, just like Liz right now. You see, I post all members' questions, read them out, and answer questions. Everyone was answering yes, and I missed the question. Brand, you got to rewind the stream. Affected investors have until April 20th to apply to lead plaintiff status following a significant stock price drop. I'm not sure what Liz is suggesting there. I don't know what she means, but I'm sure someone else does. But as you can see, I read out all your comments and I do answer all your questions. And you can also call in when I do a live video link up. All right, that's it. We're now going over to... and you get a free song on the music show on a Friday night. So the list goes on and on and on. There's loads of things that we can't even start to mention. Birthday surprises, all sorts. Right, there is your link to where we're going now. That's it from me. Click on the link. It's pinned to the top. Vaz is about to go live with a special event. I'll be there live. And let's look for a great information tonight and see if we can get a good win. Liz said, look above. Look above. Okay, or look above. What's it say? Multiple law firms have filed a class action lawsuit against Enphase Energy, alleging the company misled investors regarding inventory management and the impact of expiring US tax credits. That's perfectly normal. Public traded companies are getting class action lawsuits all the time. Does it mean it's bad? I've not seen anything bad, but I'm saying companies like this get inspected and get lawsuits all the time. It's commonplace in the sector, in the stock market, in publicly traded companies. I'm not going to lose sleep over that. All right, that's it from me. See you on Vaz's show right now, and that's it from me. See you back in the morning. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.